I love the work I do. I'm Megan Edge, master healer, author, and educator, and I'm really excited to be able to share with you some of the ways in which I do my work.
So in this moment, and don't think for a moment this is an easy question for me to answer either. When I set up that exercise, I thought, okay, how am I in this moment? And then my stepmom asked me last night, how are you? And I was about to say, I'm good, or I'm fine, and well. So the usual, lots going on. That's external. How am I feeling about the lots going on? When I go deep down and land in my truth about how I'm feeling, I am feeling fine. I'm feeling that I can trust that everything I'm doing right now, everything I'm pushing out into the world is all working. It's all becoming. So if I were to put it in a word, how do I feel right now? I feel that I am becoming. And it isn't important what I'm becoming as much as it is that when I'm really truthful with myself, when I move past the stress and I move past the overwhelm and I move past all the other things that I set up for myself, truly, I know that everything is going to be just fine. And that's the place where I want to remember to go to when I do get caught up in the day-to-day, the external minutia of being human, is to take that deep breath in. Okay, how am I truly feeling? I'm actually feeling fine. And that's where I want you to get to as well. And it's why I keep bringing you back to, how are you feeling now, right now? I know you've all got stories. I know there's things going on for everybody. That's all external. And how you are going to move through those experiences will depend very deeply on how connected you are to your actual truth of how you are. Thank you for watching my talks and my videos. It's my passion to share with you what I know and believe. We have lots of laughter, sometimes tears. We're always learning and growing. I would love to hear from you and stay connected. Enjoy this amazing day.